Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're mapping out exactly how to start a YouTube channel from scratch. So let's get into it. The goal here, turning your passion into a real, growing YouTube channel. First up, you gotta understand what YouTube itself wants. It's simple. It wants to keep people watching. CTR is basically your video's first impression. A high CTR tells YouTube, hey, people wanna see this. And watch time? Well, that's the real test. It proves people are actually hooked on your video. All right, so we know what YouTube wants, but what should you make videos about? Let's find your niche. The perfect niche is at the intersection of these 3 Ps. Let's break them down. First, passion. You're gonna make a lot of videos, so pick something you genuinely love. Next, proficiency. You don't have to be an expert, just know enough and wanna learn more. And finally, profit. Is there an audience for it? Can it actually make money down the road? Feeling a bit overwhelmed? I get it. We're gonna kill the biggest hurdle for new creators, perfectionism. Here's a super simple 4-step plan. It's all about building skills with zero pressure. None. By the end of this month, you'll get the hang of the whole process, from idea to upload. Okay, practice is over, you're ready. Setting up the real channel is easy, but some settings are key. Just jump into YouTube Studio and check these boxes. This is all you need before your first upload. So what does viral even mean for a new channel? It's just a video that does way better than average. It really comes down to a simple 3-part formula. Get this right and you're golden. First, the idea. Look for videos on small channels that popped off. That's a proven topic right there. Next, packaging. Your title and thumbnail need to spark curiosity. Don't just describe, make them wonder. And the intro, you've got 30 seconds. State their goal, highlight a problem, and promise a solution. So what's the big takeaway? Just 1 month. That's all it takes to go from zero to confident. So there's your roadmap. The only question left is, what are you going to create first?